All right, y'all, enough of the teaser shorts. Let's get to what I've actually done in here. Got sheetrock done on the one side. Keeping this back half plywood because I'm going to have a TV hung on here. It's just going to be more sturdy. And what I'm doing over here is pretty much the same thing. I'm furring it in. Gonna put plywood up. Got my electrical box. Painting that black. You're not gonna see it anyway. And I already have the switches wired up. Got these cool little switches. They light up when it's dark out. That's all wired in. Wired to that. And then I've got another one running over here. I'm going to put another one on the ceiling over here. Those are those, I don't know, I guess influence or hexagon lights. I've got the wood cut to frame in the windows right now. And just for the hell of it, I think I'm going to do drywall on this side. So that's where we're at. Tell me what you don't like. I really don't care. It's my project. That's where we're at. Oh, and also, this is why I'm doing it like this. I'm going to have a mini split up here. And I want something sturdier than drywall. Yes, I'm going to put more furring strips up in here. Probably going to do a 16 on center with that. And as far as the windows go, since this window sits below the purling, I'm going to notch the purling at the bottom and slide in some already framed window boxes.